2005 J1 the cell competition. Mobile has a cell phone plan and after a month of use is trying to decide which price plan is the best for his usage pattern. He has two options. Each plan has a different cost for daytime minutes, evening minutes, and weekend minutes. So this was back when you had to pay per minute. This is 2005. Here are the associated costs. Write a program that will input the number of each type of minutes and output the cheapest plan for this usage pattern using the format below. The input will be in the order of daytime minutes, evening minutes, and weekend minutes. In the case that the two plans are the same price, output both plans. So, for example, in the sample input 1, this is going to be the amount of minutes he used in the day. This is how much he used in the evening, and this is how much he used on the weekend. All right. So then here you can see that you first output the cost for both plans, and then which one is the cheaper one, which is obviously going to be the one that is less than the other one. Same thing here, but in this case, the minutes, when you compute them, they both are the same value, so you just have an associated thing for that as well. Dr. Richard Evans. Anyways, let's go ahead and solve this problem. So this is 2005, so a new file, and this is going to be the cell. Okay, sorry. So we start off with our title block because I am studying for a test. 3. Okay, and so now we're gonna go ahead and add all of these. So daytime plans, and we add nothing, no prompt. Night, or say nighttime, fine. Night underscore, not plans, but minutes. So I'm gonna say mins. Night underscore mins, and that's also gonna be input. Then you have weekend minutes, and that's also going to be an input. And now we compute the cost for each of these. So you get 100 free minutes. So for plan A, so this is plan A costs. So you get 100 minutes on daytime. So daytime underscore plan underscore A underscore daytime. And so you get 100 free minutes. So we can subtract that. From the daytime minutes. So daytime minutes minus 100 minutes. So here, all I'm going to say is if daytime minutes is less than 100, then plan A will be 0 because it's going to be free because it's under 100. Otherwise, it's going to be plan A, and it's going to be daytime minutes minus 100, right? Because we still have to take out the free minutes that we get, and then we're going to add an additional 25 cents on the minute. So we're going to multiply this by 25. So we're multiplying the ones that are not free, the minutes that are not free, by 25. Otherwise, you're going to have free minutes, right? And now evening is much easier. So plan A evening is much easier. It's just going to be 15 cents per minute. So night mins times 15, very simple. Same thing with weekend. It's just the daytime, which is a little iffy. So it's going to be, it's going to be plan A weekend, and that's going to be weekend minutes and times 20. and then we're going to put total underscore A underscore cost, which is going to be plan A daytime plus plan A evening plus plan A weekend. All right, now let's do plan B costs. Very similar. So we're going to start off with daytime minutes. If it's over 100, or I'll do this in here actually to save us some time. It's going to be 0, and then here is going to be plan B date time, which is going to be, or sorry, I can't do it here, my bad, because it's different. It's not 100 is 250, so you get 250 free minutes. And then so if it's under 250 minutes, then you know that it is going to be free, right? Because you have 0. Otherwise, plan B daytime shall be daytime minutes minus 250, because we know it's above 250, so it can be subtracted by 250, and then multiplied by 45 cents. So that's plan B. Then that's for the daytime. Then plan B evening shall be night minutes times 35 cents plan. And then plan B underscore weekend shall be weekend minutes times the 25 cents that it costs. Right? Okay. So you get, the rates are much more expensive in plan B, but you get a much more free minutes in the daytime. So it just depends on how much usage you have in the daytime. But anyways, now you have I have to do the total B cost, which is going to be plan B daytime plus plan B evening plus plan B weekend. And then all I'm going to say now is I'm going to say if total A is greater than total B, then print sorry, not that. So I should go with less than because it makes more sense. So I'm gonna say less than. So here I'm saying if the total cost of A is less than the B, it has to be the cheapest. Now another condition we're gonna check for is if the B cost is less than the A cost, in which we're gonna print plan B is cheapest, and then period. Otherwise, now we know that they're both the same because they're not less than of each other. So then we can just say plan A and B are the same. So over here, I'm just going to print plan A and B are the same price. And then before any of this, we have to run these print statements, which stay the same regardless of any thing that you do. So I'm just going to say formatted here. And here, I'm just going to say total A cost, and then print total B cost, and then this is going to be with .2f, and this is also going to be with .2f. Okay. So there's some sort of error in my computing. Cause why is it like this? It should be. Oh, this is 20 cents. My bad. So it's gonna be 0.5 and 0.15. Point, point, and point. And now the same thing. There we go. And then add this, paste. There we go. Okay, I believe this is gonna work. So if I just submit the solution, there we go. So let me just add this now.